We just breathe in this moment, entering a state of allowing, connecting with the heart center. Here I am, receptive, responsive, awake, aware, listening. So very grateful. Teach me, lead me, show me. Allow me to support the feminine instinct within all beings, within all creation, within my own life. When I see it around me, give me the wisdom to take the first step back, to become quiet, to bow down. To honor it when I see it, know it when I hear it. Emanate it. Inhaling and exhaling, we know and trust that we are wonderfully made, endowed with spiritual abilities that guide us, care for us, provide for us. Inhaling and exhaling into the silence. May all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love, as mother, and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. We dedicate this service today to Mary Lou Cupp and Diane Wilkes for the spirit of mothering that you are and that you bring to your community. We are with you. Namaste.